we are starting a new series. It's called I Actually Paid for This Travel. Yeah, that's the name of it. And on this case, we are going to Houston today for a day trip. And we're going to start our first flight out on Southwest Flight 1962 with service to Albuquerque and Dallas. So this is a continuation flight. This particular video will only be the Phoenix departure, but you can anticipate many more videos on Southwest to come up. So without further ado, like I said, I'm so used to saying United. This is Southwest Flight 1962 with service on over to Albuquerque. We are currently in gate Delta 1 in Terminal 4 South. In fact, this is one of the most difficult pushbacks with the exception of Delta 2 in Phoenix Airport that I'm aware of. I mean, maybe a ramper will tell me differently, but you'll see what I mean later on. We are aboard November 291 Whiskey November, a 13-year-old Boeing 737-700 with split Scimitar winglets in seat 19 Alpha. We're going to be pushing back here momentarily. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up because time lapses are awesome. So enjoy that, and I will get back to you when we begin taxi.
By pulling down on the red tab to manually inflate blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to your safety information card for the use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional life vests as needed. If you would please make sure seatbelts are fastened, seat backs and tray tables upright and locked. Takeoff and landing all of your carry-on bags stowed under the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking, including electronic cigarettes, not allowed on board, including in our lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume any alcohol you may have brought with you on the flight today. Federal aviation regulations require your compliance with all lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. If needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until that plastic tubing is fully extended.
Now that we're pushed back and taxiing to runway 7 left via Echo, I gotta tell you, we have calm winds in Phoenix, clear skies, 10 nautical miles visibility. Overall, it's a perfect day to fly. So I'd like to invite you to enjoy our Phoenix departure and look at the sights that the Arizona desert has to offer. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll be at the runway very shortly. Just one more thing before we take off. Be sure to pay special attention to the parking area that we pass first, and then the Delta terminal or Terminal 3, as we have 2 special visitors at Phoenix today. So be sure to pay attention to that. We're here and we're ready to go.